How to cash into your Lazada wallet using GGives. It's a quick and easy way to make your Lazada purchases. First, open the Lazada app. Add an item to your cart that costs 3,000 or more. For example, this Huawei Nova 13i. This is important because you need to meet a minimum purchase amount to use this method. Proceed to checkout. Choose GCash as your payment method. When you are redirected to GCash, select GGives as your payment option. Choose your preferred installment plan and confirm the payment. GCash will pay your Lazada purchase. You'll then repay the purchase amount through GGives installments. The purchase amount will either be added to your Lazada wallet or directly cover the order cost. That's it. This process indirectly uses GGives to fund your Lazada wallet or purchase.